Welcome students. Our today topic is square root of decimal numbers. Find the square root of 9.3025. Put the bars. For integral part, we start from unit place and move to left side. And decimal part, we start from 10th place and move to right side. Now, find the largest number whose square is less than or equal to 9. 3 square is 9. That is equal to 9. So, divisor 3, quotient 3, 9 divided by 3. 3 3 is a 9. Remainder is 0. Next bar in decimal part. So, we put decimal in quotient. Number is 30. 3 plus 3, 6. Now, suppose here 1, then 61 multiplied by 1. 61. 61 is greater than 30. So, suppose 0. 60 0 is a 0. We put 0, quotient plus 0, and 30 divided by 60. 60 0 is a 0. Remainder 30. Next bar 25. Last digit 0, add 0 plus 0, 0, 6. This digit cancel to 5, 0, 2, 6, 30. 6 5 is a 30. Suppose number is 5. Then multiplied by 605 multiplied by 5. 5 5 is a 25, carry 2, 6 0 is a 0, plus 2 is 2, and 5 6 is a 30. 3025 equal to dividend 5. Quotient place 5. 605 multiplied by 5, 3025. 0. 5 5 10, carry 1. No bar left. And remainder is 0. So, quotient is the square root of given number. Hence, square root of 9.3025 is equal to 3.05. Now, find out the square root of 0.9 up to 2 place of decimal. We start, put the bars. Here single digits, so we write 0, and we can write 0.90 as 0 0. Left bar is 0. So 0 square is 0. Remainder 0. Next bar in decimal part, so we put decimal in quotient. 90. 0 plus 0 is 0. 90. We take 9. 9 9 is a 81. Remainder 9. Next bar 0 0. Unit place 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Now, suppose this cut to 0 and that cut to 0. 1 9 is 9. Suppose here 9. 189 multiplied by 9. 9 9 is 81, 8. 9 8 is 72, 8. 80, carry 8. 9 1 is 9 and 8, 17. 1701 is greater than 900. So, suppose 8. 8 8 is 64, carry 6. 8 8 is 64 and 6, 70, carry 7. 8 1 is 8 and 7, 15, bigger. So, 7. 7 7 is 49, 9, 4. 7 8 is 56 and 4, 60. Carry 6, 7 is 7 and 6, 13. 186 multiplied by 6. 6 6 is 36, 6, carry 3. 6 8 is 48 and 3, 51, carry 5. 6 1 is 6 and 5, 11 more. 185 multiplied by 5. 5 5 is 25, 2, 5 8 is 40 and 2, 42, carry 4. 5 1 is 5 and 4, 9. 184 multiplied by 4. 4 4 is 16, carry 1. 4 8 is 32 and 1, 33, carry 3. 4 1 is 4 and 1, 4 and 4, 3, carry 3, 7. 736. We put 4. 4. 4. Number is 736. Remainder 4, 6, 1. Next pair 0 0. Cut. 116. Here single digit take. So suppose the number is 9. 1889 multiplied by 9. 9 9 is 81. Carry 8. 9 8 is 72 and 8, 80. Carry 8. 9 8 is 72 and 8, 80, carry 8. 9 1 is 9 or 8, 17. Bigger number. 1888 multiplied by 8. 8 8 is 64, 4. 8 8 is 64 and 6, 70. Carry 7. 8 8 is 64 and 6, 70. Carry 7. 8 1 is 8 and 7, 15. Six, 9, 3, 1, 0. 8 8 16, 1 8 9, 8 1. We want the square root up to 2 decimal places only. Then we can stop our procedure over here. If we have to proceed further, then put a pair of 0 each time after remainder and proceed it and get new quotient. So the square root of 0.9 is 0.948. Is equal to 0.8. If last digit is more than 5 or equal to 5, then we neglect this and left digit increase 1. That means the square root of 0.9 is approximately equal to 0.95. If our answer is 943, then we can write as 0.94. If the last digit is if the last digit of decimal is less than 5, then we neglect it, and if last digit of decimal is more than 5 or equal to 5, then we increase left digit 1. For example, 0.947, we write this as 0.95. Thank you, students.